I was watching a Family Guy, right? And it just like stops. It just Charter Communications SATX EAS status of San Antonio, Texas emergency something system. I forgot what the A and EAS stands for. But there's no sound, no text, just gray. And it's a little creepy. I had to add access to injury because it's decently dark in here. My camera doesn't do it justice. You know, just waiting for that magical sound. It's probably because it's raining. It's actually thunderstorming. And in San Antonio, when it rains and thunderstorms, it freaks out. But, you know, it's kind of creepy. You know. Okay. Well, you know, that was weird. It didn't like buzz or anything. We didn't get that It just got that. So maybe if anyone can in the comments can explain what this is,